guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today we are here in Canary Wharf. We came to try something new, new food, and I don't know, what shall we try, Sonny? I was thinking Mexican. I never tried Mexican, so we should try Mexican. So yeah, we'll see if there's Mexican place here in Canary Wharf, and also Sonny's craving for something like. We're not in a jungle, by the way. I'll show you where we are. And what are you craving for?
Falafel wrap.
Okay, that's it. We're gonna get some falafel as well. And yeah, let's go to get our food. So guys, we are here in our first place. Sonny wanted to try falafel, right? And I know a good place here in Canary Wharf for falafel, wrap or pizza, whatever you want. And it's called Garbanzos. So Sonny can show that. It's a nice cool stall over here. But we're gonna go there, don't worry, we're gonna go there. And we also took our drinks for this cup because hey, you don't want to pay for drinks in shops here, yeah, because they are bloody expensive. And yeah, let's go buy some falafel. So we have our falafel from Garbanzos, and it's here in Canary Wharf. Let's now try. How is it? How is it? Let's see inside. This is the falafel. So what do we have inside here?
Falafel.
What else?
Salad.
Then we can't see. And hummus. Yeah. So how is it?
It's good. Really good.
How is it? How is the falafel?
It's really nice and crunchy.
And then?
Fresh, just fried.
Really?
Still hot.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, can I? It's my turn now. It's my turn. So let's try this falafel.
What do you think?
Two hours later.
The falafel is really nice. It's fresh and it's really crunchy. I don't know if you can hear the crunchiness. No, you can't. But hey, yeah. So you can see now we have tomatoes, cucumber, what else? Cabbage, white cabbage, and then hummus as well. And then
Tahini sauce.
Tahini sauce, yeah. I think, from a personal opinion, if you're craving for falafel, this is a good one, and it's very easy to find it. Just come out from Canary Wharf station, the main station, and you go on the right side, you turn right, and there's some small stalls on close to the station, and yeah, you can find garbanzos there and get your falafel. Yeah, we're gonna finish the falafel. In the meantime, I'll show you around. So guys, we just finished our falafel wrap, and yeah, it's time to give rate it. So yeah, for me it's quite high because I really love that place and I've been there so many times and I wanted Sony to try it. I'll give it a 8 out of 10. What about you, Sony?
Yeah, I think it was really nice. It's one of the best.
I think that's the only one in Canary Wharf.
I tried so far.
Do you have any others in Canary Wharf? I don't think so.
We do. That place over there, the Lebanese place, that should do.
Which
Okay.
I never been.
It's so expensive.
Is it? Okay, I'm not gonna go there.
Yeah, I think it's one of the best between the ones I tried.
Okay.
I want to try something better. So if you guys have any suggestions,
Yeah, if you guys live in London and you love falafel, let me know in the comment box if you know a good place for falafel wrap or pizza, whatever it is, and that we should try it. But hey, our lunch is not done yet. We still have to try Mexican food because I never tried Mexican food here in London, and I'm here for like how long now? It's been more than 6 years, nearly 7 years that I'm in London, and yeah, I never tried Mexican food. And today is the time. We found a place here under the DLR station of Canary Wharf. Is called, what is it called? Tortilla. No, Tortilla. Tortilla. And I think it's a franchise.
yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a franchise. I saw it so many times, but I never thought it's gonna be halal. And hey guys, this one in Canary Wharf, the chicken is halal, and I'll show you the sign, halal sign. So you have that peace of mind if you're Muslim. And yeah, let's go and try these. I want to try tacos and tacos with chicken. Never tried tacos in my life. So this is the time. Today is the time. So Sonia, are you ready? Are you gonna try tacos?
Yep.
Yeah.
Of course.
But do you have space after the big falafel wrap you ate?
You ate most of it.
I didn't. She ate most of it. She's just lying now. Anyway, yep, let's go and try these tacos. So guys, we are here in our second place. We're gonna have tortilla, and look who we found. Miss Priyanka, the famous Priyanka from. Do you remember from the old videos? She was the mother, one of my wife in one of the old videos. Do you remember Priyanka? It's fine. That was fiction. It wasn't real. Anyway, she wanna try tacos with us, and that's the good thing. So we have more people reviewing these tacos, right? So this is the place. Tortilla. Hey. And yeah, and the good thing is halal, and we are all halal people, right? Only halal food we're gonna eat. So let's go. I'll show you the menu and look at the place. This is the menu. So what we have here? Oh, firstly, yeah, this is the proof that it's halal. Oh yes. And then yeah, we're gonna try the tacos. And let's go. Let's try it.
खुला नहीं
खुलो Wow, look at the opening skills of Priyanka. Opening skills of Priyanka. Can she make it? Yes, after 3 hours, she made it. 3 hours later. So this is the place, Tortilla. I think you know because it's a franchise. Is it franchise?
Yeah.
Tortilla. Yeah. So it's in Canary Wharf. So guys, we have our burritos. No, not burritos. Sorry, not burritos. Sorry. Tacos. We have our tacos ready. So I don't know which one is mine. I think the first one is mine. And yeah, we are all ready to eat. We are kind of hungry now. So let's try these tacos. And this is mine. This is I think Priyanka's. No, this is you. Yeah. Yeah. Let's try it. Shall we try all together? Shall we try all together? Shall we try all together? Come on. Let's bite all together. Look at shit. Sorry, it's kind of hard to take it out. But yeah, look at that. We have chicken, we have guacamole, tomatoes. What else? We have some white sauce which I'm trying to mess up. And yeah, let's try it.
বিসমিল্লাহ বলেন নাই শুনছো
মনে বলছি
মনে মনে হয় না
তুমি কি শুনে বলবা নাকি Guys, it's kind of nice.
kind of
মানে তাকোসের আসল ফিলিংটা বুঝতেছি না, পাইতেছি কিনা জানি না। Yeah, I thought the taco's gonna be hard. Crunchy. But it's not. Priyanka eating.
সুগর কথা লাগে
Guys, I was expecting this to be crunchy, but it's like normal bread. And to be honest, I'm disappointed a bit. But it's good. The filling is good, so it tastes good. But I don't know. It's like you know, power roti. You put some stuff in and you eat it. That's the simple thing. And anyway, I'll show you guys around. In the meantime, let me finish this. Guys, I'll show you how Priyanka eats tacos. So basically, she made some borta here. Look, some tacos borta. Show me how you're gonna take them up.
এটা সাইডে যে পড়ে গেছে, এখন আমি নরমাল ভাবে রুটি যেভাবে তরকারি দিয়ে খায়
আচ্ছা তাই ওইভাবে টাকোস খাবা?
ঠিক আছে, শিখো কিছু।
ওকে। So guys, we're done eating our tacos and it's rating time. I'll start with the ladies. Ladies first, always. And Priyanka, come. You try it as well. So come in. So, what's the rate?
Out of 10,
Yeah.
I would say 4. The chicken.
4. Very low rate, guys. It's Priyanka time first.
I think because we were eating it outside.
Tell them how did you find her eating like a borta and roti?
Okay, let me start off. I think because we.
না এটা মনে হইতেছে কাছে কিন্তু it's not
Are you
close.
sure?
Yeah.
Right.
It's quite
Why
Why?
the interview needs to see? Of that.
I thought you want to beat me.
No, Allora, I think because we were eating it outside, we didn't have our comfort zone. You know, if we were eating it inside,
We're not rating the place. We are rating
in
the
a
food.
warm place, maybe we could have enjoyed that much more.
Maybe, yeah, true.
Plus, it was cold. It wasn't warm enough. I feel like
No, it was supposed to be hot,
it was supposed to be warmer, kind of. I don't know.
not hot, but
Not
warm.
hot. But yeah, আমি সুন্দর মতন চাপটি বানাই ওটা খাইতে সেটা খুব মজা এটা হচ্ছে খুব ভালো হবে
So what is the rate out of 10?
5 day
5. Better than Sony's rate.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll end up with my rate. I want really
because
to try
খাবার
tacos.
খাবারকে তো বেশি ডিসরেসপেক্ট করা উচিত না এটা 5
Oh, so nice. Guys, statement of Priyanka. Khawar to khawa.
Okay. Can you please
Disrespect-
repeat that statement?
খাবার তো খাবার we shouldn't disrespect food we should at least give a bit of
Yeah, I'm not
Important.
disrespect করতেছি না. We're giving honest
আবার
rating.
খাইছো তো ঠিকই তুমি তো
Honest-
তিনটাই তো খাইছো তুমি যদি রেটিং এত বাজে কথা
তুমি করে, দুইটা করে।
আমি যতটুকু পারছি খাইছি
Anyway, my rating is yeah, I think something between 4 and 5, and I was quite hyped to try this tacos Mexican food. I never tried it Mexican in my life, and first time jodi eto baje hoy, so not a good experience. And you know the bread for the tacos, I thought was something. I thought it was gonna be crunchy and something hard, like you
তোমাকে
crunch
আমরা
and you have
চাপটি
that
বানায়
feeling.
খাওয়াবো না
What's
চাপটি
chapti?
চাপটি কি জানো না
What's
Do you know
chapti?
what's চাপটি
Yeah, of
Chapti.
course.
What is it?
Maybe-
রুটি শক্ত রুটির মতো।
Yeah, but it's crunchy
It's very crunchy. Yeah.
and full of flavor. এটা তো obviously that's not
And yeah, let me know guys in the comment box if that's how is a taco supposed to be, like normal bread to roti,
Mhm.
and you just put on stuff on top.
Mhm.
And yeah, if you know a better place for Mexican food here in London, let us know in the comment box. And yeah, I think what we can try now, I think we should end the day with a nice coffee. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
yeah
Yeah? Yeah? So
You're paying?
you okay? You okay
Yeah.
with the coffee?
Yeah, of course,
Yeah?
of course. Yeah.
So cool, let's go get the coffee. So guys, I'm enjoying the coffee while looking at the sunset, and look at this place guys, it's a really nice place. Look at the sunset, look at the sunset, chin 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 chin. So Connie, how's the coffee?
Good. It's authentic Italian coffee. Of course, it's gonna be good.
Okay, Priyanka, how is the coffee? Not the design, the taste. Huh? It's good. So as a Italian Bengali lady, what
8
do you
on 10
8 on 10? What do you think?
9
9? Now is Sony giving high rates, not Priyanka. Why 8 and not 9 or 10? How do you get to 10 for a coffee?
8 is an even number. I like even numbers more.
Okay. How do you get to 10? for a coffee? What do you need to be?
More cream maybe.
More cream? Okay.
They don't put cream though.
Do they?
I mean, not cream, the texture, the foamy.
Okay. So for me is, I think, yeah, same. 8. 8 বেশি দিলে আসল ইটালিয়ার no আসল ইটালিয়ান কফি বাণিজ্য শেষ হয়ে যাবে, so I'll give an 8.
Yeah, I'll give an 8. At least I tried.
Yeah, it's good. It's better than Costa, Starbucks and those big
Bread.
franchise coffees. And yeah, I think we are kind of through the end of our vlog. We enjoying the sunset here. Look at that. Can you see the sunset, guys? And sunset in Canary Wharf is nice because you'll see all the lights on the buildings. I think you can't see now yet, but all these tall buildings will have some nice golden reflection of the sunset. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and it was really nice. We found our friends around here in Canary Wharf and enjoyed the day together, and
You're welcome.
and had so much fun eating. What did we eat? Falafel wrap, and then very disappointed on the tacos. I was expecting something else, more crunchy, more tastier, more texture in the tacos.
However,
Priyanka
ate.
food is food, so food ki disrespect kora jabe na, তাই না?
However, there's coffee, there's sunset,
Yes, and yeah, that's
and there are
balancing
friends,
out. It's balancing out.
Friends, so
Yeah, we enjoyed the day, and we had another friend who said he don't want to come in the video.
All right, I'll come.
Okay, so yeah, we have our friend here. We used to live in the same city before I got married.
city,
See,
neighbor.
marriage put barriers everywhere.
I told you.
I'm joking. If you're getting married soon, you should. Anyway, can you bring my coffee? Can you hold my coffee for a second? That's it. This is the vlog for today, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.